What's going on, everybody? Today I am installing new wheels on the BMW M Coupe, and recently just got some really cool wheels, really special wheels. Really excited to show you and put them on the car. So as you can see, these wheels are 1552 Formula GT wheels, and the special thing about them is that they're actually M Coupe spec. So this here is the rear tire. As you can see, 285s in the rear. So this wheel is actually an 18 by 11 and an offset of 10. I don't know if you can see that, but basically for an M Coupe or a Z3M, you need a very low offset for the wheels to fit properly. Otherwise, you're using a bunch of spacers. These, however, should fit really well with no spacers at all. Not to mention, it's an 11-inch wide rim with 285 tires. As you can see, the back wheel here is pretty concave, which is really cool. And what makes these wheels so special is that they're actually custom ordered for the perfect spec fitment on a Z3M. 1552 no longer does that, so I suppose that they are pretty rare. Maybe even a one of one or one of a few wheels that are this exact spec. Running 245s in the front, and the offset definitely not as aggressive because the Z3Ms were just weird like that. So I bought these wheels from another M Coupe owner from California. He was really nice. He sent them all the way across the country to New Jersey, so super thankful for that, and he gave me a great deal, so couldn't say no. The cool thing is I think I tracked these wheels back to the owner before him, so every owner has been an M Coupe owner, obviously because they are spec'd to be perfect for a Z3M. So basically this is the third clown shoe owner that these wheels have been on, and my car has the privilege of running them. Alright, so got the M Coupe, and just gonna quickly see if they fit. I'll definitely need to adjust the coilovers to make sure that they have the right fitment. Other than that, should be pretty straightforward. Just for a quick size comparison, here's the 285, huge, and the stock Roadstar wheels with a 255. So this is the Roadstar. This is the 285. Looks like the fitment's pretty good. Actually have a little bit of space there because I think the wheel has a little bit of camber. Other than that, it looks good. Also had to use this because it's so deep in there to get the lug bolts in there. So if you guys can see where my coilovers are now, basically on the other side to get the right fitment, just for the fender lining and everything, the wheels would rub right around here. So basically you can't have it that low, and the wheel diameter is bigger and the wheel width is bigger. So I counted how many times I turned it on the other side, so I'm just gonna match it on this side. But yeah, basically this has to go up about an inch or so, so it'll end up there. Okay, wheel is on. This wheel is on. There it is.